With generative AI, we're seeing the ease of hacking go down, right? We're lowering the barrier to entry to do advanced coding, to do reverse engineering of code. And in some instances, that's been amazing. It helps people learn. It's why wouldn't we want more people getting their hands on these tools? But in the hands of bad actors, right? Like it's a little bit scary. We've seen in the industry like AI making hacking so easy. Some examples I found online, you can automate and optimize the creation of malware. So here's, you can have a new piece of malware every day, right? Like, that's really scary to organizations because firewalls work on finding known scripts, known malware, and protecting against them. But what if you could automate making it different every single day? The vectors of attack are so diverse and ever changing.